Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today's video is going to be on body care. A subscriber reached out to me on Instagram. I'm going to just pull up her message. So a subscriber reached out to me. She's like, "Hi Jamila, I found your YouTube channel not long ago and I must say that I am really impressed with the kind of content that you create. Thank you." I don't know if I should say her name, but her name is Hadija. I would be glad if you can do a detailed video on using incense, type of incense and uses of incense, female hygiene and body care routine. That is a lot of demands. I got more interested in these stuffs after watching a vlog of yours you posted 2 months ago titled Maintenance Vlog, Hair Care, Pedicure, Henna, Facial and Dokhan. I know the video. I'm going to link it in the end screen. So if you've not watched it, you'll watch it. Incense for body care, the house and how to use it. Thank you, Hadija. I am so going to break down all your questions in series of videos. I won't be able to fit everything in one video because there are 3 different asks, but thank you for asking. Feel free to ask questions. This gives me the room to create content for you guys, content that you guys actually like and actually love to see. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get right into answering Khadija's ask. So this video is not scripted because it is nature. It is next to nature for me. It is body care. The first one I'm going to answer in all of her 3 questions is body care. For instance video, I have to like sit down and script it in such a way because I have to like pick out incense from my collections and share with you guys what I use them for, but I promise I'm going to bring that. So let's start with body care. Body care is nature for me. Like I don't need to script it. I'm going to tell you guys how I do my body care. Unfortunately, I cannot bring like physical details because I just can't do it for religious purposes and for personal reasons, but I'm going to make it very relatable. Since she has watched my videos, she's seen how I do my things. I'm just going to tell you guys, I feel like coming from the point of reasoning, like why do I do this would make more sense to you. So when it comes to my body care, I have a 4 weeks calendar rotation for my self-care. So whatever I start in the beginning of a month, chances are that I will also end that month doing it. And the most I would do in a self-care calendar would be the most duration that I would have in my self-care calendar would be 6 weeks, and that 6 weeks by extension would be because of my hair. So I don't shampoo my hair very frequently. I do it every 6 to 8 weeks, and in between I co-wash. So that is why I would have a 6 weeks long calendar for self-care. But every my self-care is largely informed by the state of my skin, the state of my body. I am all over oily skin, so that kind of gives me the need to be hands-on how I care for myself. The best thing I do for body care, you guys can tell, right, is exfoliation. I love to exfoliate my skin. Exfoliating my skin does not just only remove dead skin and allow my skin to regenerate and to renew itself as the body requires, because our skin sheds on its own. They naturally shed. So if you ever kind of wash your bed sheet and you're seeing some kind of brownish, dirty-ish kind of liquid, it is dead skin. Those are dead skin. I'm going to put a picture inside a picture of what dead skin actually looks like on our skin. They are dust like, so, and they come off, they move whenever it is time for our body to renew and to shed them. They will shed, but the danger is for it not to shed properly. So it's not as if, oh, it is shedding and you are seeing it. No, it is just going to be you putting on your clothes, and when you take it off, you leave some particles on it, or you sit down somewhere, you stand up, particles on it. And on your bed, more often than not, your bed and your clothing is what takes those particles when your skin is shedding, and you wouldn't know easily. So I am big on exfoliation. So if you really want a renewed skin, a soft skin, a smooth skin, exfoliation is big. So the next thing that makes my exfoliation worth it is hair removal. I want women to understand that it is easy for you to just use Veet, for you to use shaving stick for you to remove hair from your body. But the best form of hair removal on your body for body care, for proper body care, is waxing your body. So always try to put in waxing. Now the rate at which you wax your body is going to be informed by the rate at which your hair grow. So I have a very quick hair growth span. So if I wax my hair, let me see. Okay, my hand is just 1 week old. I waxed my body last week, which was the end of February, and this is just the first week of March. So, by the fourth week of March, by the fourth week of March, I will start seeing my hair grow back again. But because I wax my hair, it will not be so visible to a lot of people, because once you wax and you are a frequent waxer, the hair grows back thinner, faint, and it doesn't become so bothersome to the eye and become so visible that like if you were to use shaving stick and Veet to remove. And it is just inexpensive and very affordable. You're not for you to maintain. So waxing is the next best thing for me. In a week, I do have a cycle as well for self-care. So there is the monthly things that I do, and the monthly things that I basically do mostly is either to make my hair or to wax my body. When it comes to weekly event for self-care for me, every Monday I do facials, and my facial could be anything. And it depends on the state of my face, what is happening. Do I have pitch fuzz? Do I have pitch fuzz to take off? Do I have blackheads to break? Like today now I have this pimple peeking through, but I'm not taking it off because today is Thursday, and I don't even take it out except I have to do proper skincare so it does not get pigmented. So on Mondays, I do some kind of exfoliation on my face and, hydrate my face, use products that will just brighten up my face to start the week. So it could be me doing chemical exfoliation, that is using the ordinary AHA BHA chemical exfoliant. And usually I don't really take off hair from my face on Mondays. Honestly, that is because I do it on a Friday basis, and my hair on my face grows very fast as well. So every Friday is when I actually remove hair from my face. Now we've jumped the gun. For the rest of my body, what I do is I don't really scrub first things on Monday. I have this tool that I've shared with you guys on this channel. So I use that to perform some mild pedicure on my feet in the bathroom during shower. I also kind of use it to exfoliate my elbows, exfoliate my knees, just my knuckles, my hand. I would scrub my hand. I would also scrub my feet. That is the body self-care I put on Mondays. Then on Wednesdays, that is the middle of the week, where I have put in some kind of work, rigorous work, either being a mom, being my content creator, being a wife. I will now exfoliate my body using some sort of either sugar scrub or body mask, like halal, like kurkum, like dilka, like sugar scrub or salt scrub. Anything that I have available, I will use it. And on Fridays, for my face on that day, I will also do some sort of light mechanical scrubbing on my face, because I will be preparing my face for dermaplaning on Friday. So I would either do some sort of derma abrasion, microderma abrasion, or I will do some sort of mild sugar scrubbing. Like today is Thursday, I did that yesterday, being Wednesday. So on Friday, the reason why I do that is because whatever dead skin that is laying around my hair follicle, I have buffed it away. Because if you when you are dermaplaning, and dermaplaning means using a blade to shave off, not ordinary blade, there are specialized blades for that. So it is me using some specialized blade to remove hair from my face, or I wax it, but I do dermaplaning. That is very convenient for me to do. So if you prematurely remove hair from your face, that, or break it from not proper, like break it halfway, midway, chances are that it will curl back into your pore and get infected and become pimple for you. So I always do that 24 to 48 hours interval micro dermabrasion or sugar scrub, just to smoothen out my face texture before I dermaplane on a Friday. So that is the idea. And for Friday, I kind of go hammer again on it is the end of the week. This is when I actually unwind, relax. I don't do anything on Fridays except take care of myself. I don't cook. I would do maybe some minor house cleaning here and there, depending on what schedule I have for Saturday and Sunday and what I want out of it. But Fridays are really intense self-care day for me in a week. So on Friday, I would do either, again, any form of body scrubbing, whether whether kurkum, whether dilka, whether sugar or body, this thing. This is full body scrubbing from head to toe, putting in the fact that I've already dermaplaned my face, because dermaplaning is also a form of exfoliation. The picture that I inserted previously for hair particle for dead skin, to show you guys what dead skin looks like, that was the dermaplane on my face, and you could see in that picture, inserting it again, a blend of is wool like. That is because there are lots of peach fuzz and also dead skin cells on it. So yeah, I'm from the northern part of Nigeria, so self-care is big for us. I don't just exfoliate and come out. I will also do body steaming, either heated body steaming, like in the real sauna steam, this thing which I have, and or I do dokhan. I love dokhan a lot. Now the problem is a lot of people do not know how to do dokhan. They believe that dokhan is like how will I put it? Like it is the hot smoke that is important. Most especially, she did ask me to talk about incense, how to use it and all that. So I'm going to I'm going to bring a video on that. But the can is supposed to be enclosed, trapping the heat from the smoke into your body. It is also supposed to scent up your body. And I forgot to mention that even when I'm bathing, I also do the incense body bath. Like if I'm steaming in the sauna, it is going to have some sort of kumra inside of it. If I am not steaming in the sauna, I'm going to be using hot water incense, and that is from head to toe, like just pour it all over my body, like it's real hot water, jago hot water. That is how, if you're not Hausa, jago hot water means new mom hot water that you used to press. That goes all the way. I mean, it won't be hot to the point of peeling my skin, but I can feel it, and it is capable of opening up my pores and trapping in the oils from the humra straight into my skin. So yeah, this is what I have for a 1 week cycle. In the 4 weeks that we have in a month, be rest assured that I am going to put in all of this self-care as I have stated it till the end of the month. Then we cycle back to what routine do I need to do. Probably take off my hair waxing, or wash my hair, braid my hair, and all those things. So this is basically my body care routine. I get pedicures every month, and like I said again, every week in the shower I do I do buff off dead skin from my feet, from my hand, from my elbow, from my knees. But for full pedicure, it's a monthly thing, and I do it. Then I use it to remove callus and all those things from my feet. But my goal and my drive, what drives me to do all these things for myself, is I just love to look good. I love to look good. I love to feel good. I love to leave my skin soft, smooth, and supple. It is personal reward for me. It is how I take care of myself, and how I reward myself for all that it does for me. So yeah, it is never a big deal. It sounds like a hassle, but remember that if you're not intentional about all these things, you won't make headway with it. Just like everything in life, if you are not intentional about it, you won't be able to get the benefits of it. So you have to be intentional. It's a routine, and when it's routine, it becomes a part of you, and when people see you, they can really make sense. Or if you're a trainer, or you are somebody that loves to work out, when people see you, they'll see you because they will know, because your body is well toned and all that. I do get compliments for my face. Just people seeing my face, oh, your skin looks good, your skin is dewy. Do you have, like, someone would see me like, do you have some kind of, what glow product do you have on your face? But I don't have any glow product on my face. I just have moisturizer and my sunscreen on right now. So what you do that is routine for you is always going to show up in your lifestyle, and people will be able to tell just by mere looking at you. So Khadija, I hope this motivates you to draw up your own calendar and your plan, and to get you into that monthly self-care cycle, and it will really really benefit you. So the next video I'm going to do, maybe not immediately, but you're definitely going to get a video on incense. And I think she did ask for something else. She asked for female hygiene, and yeah, I have a video on female hygiene, so I don't think I need to actually film that one. But the incense part, I promise I'm going to bring that. But for the female hygiene video, I'm going to leave a link for you in the description box, or pin it to the comment section, so that you can go through that. And if you have any questions from there, I will be glad to answer. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.